If I ask you why you want to make money, I know you have 1,001 reasons, but the major problem is how do I make this money? That's why I created this video. This is the first episode of my Talk to Me series, so stay with me till the end of this video. So let's begin. I chose this location because it's looking so cool and natural. So let's walk down to the end of this video. So first of all, one thing I want you to understand is that money is everywhere. It sounds funny, but that's the truth. You see people lining up in the ATM every day withdrawing money. What are they withdrawing? Money. Are they withdrawing beans? No. So money is everywhere. Get rid of that belief that there is no money anywhere. But one thing you need to understand is that this money have to be exchanged for something. That's the point. Money is in people, and for somebody to give you that money, you must be able to give something that is corresponding to that money that they are releasing to you, and that thing is value. If you are following me with a pen and a book, I want you to write down the word value, bolding it, highlight it, underline it, just whatever you have to do to it so that it will stick in your head. Value. Money is being exchanged for value. So these 2 points are important to note in this discussion. Number one, money is in people. Number two, money is being exchanged for value. So I'm going to have two parts of this discussion. The first part will be talking about value. Then the second part will be talking about people. You need to have value, then you need to have the people to make money by exchanging the money with the value you are giving to the people. Another important point I'm going to be stressing out is making money online, making money offline, and making money off ASUU strike. So let's first of all start with making money offline. There are many things you can learn offline. But if you're a student, one thing I want to advise you is that whatever you are going to be learning should be something that have economic importance when school resume. This will help you, because if you are learning a business that is not important when school resume, that's going to affect you, because that business will automatically stop when school resume. Let's take makeup as an example. Makeup is an offline business. As a student, you can be learning how to do makeup, and after the strike is called off, when you return to school, you can still be doing makeup for your classmates and be making money. So you can see how important that business is. You can learn painting. You can be painting houses for people, painting objects and the rest. And when school resume, your fellow students will call you and pay you to paint their lodge, their rooms and whatever. Another offline business you can learn is hairdressing. You can learn how to make hair for people, so that if school resume, you can also be making hair for your friends in school, your classmates and whoever. So a very important part of making money is making money online. That's because for me is the should I say it's the hardest, though it's hard to an extent. I won't lie to you, it's not that easy, and it has a lot of potential. That's one thing, and it pays more for less stress when you've made it. You will understand this point at the end of this class. So one thing with online business is that if you are doing businesses online, all you need is just your phone or your laptop. So you can travel out of Nigeria, you can travel to your village, and your business will still be moving. You don't need much physical strength or physical involvement. It has to do with your mental ability. That's why I advise people to go into online businesses. So there are different online businesses you can do. First of all, we have video editing. You can be a professional video editor. You can be an up and coming video editor, and you still make a lot of money from it. In the description of this video, you see a link to my video editing class. If you're interested, you can join that class. So one thing with video editing is that people will pay you online to edit video and send to them. They send you the raw clips with Google Drive. Then they tell you the description, what they want in the video. You make the video, you send it to them, and they pay you. That's all for video editing. So we also have copywriting. You can be a copywriter. You can sell your works to Fiverr, Upwork, and other platforms that buy this stuff. And you can also be publishing books on website if you are a writer, You can also go into affiliate marketing. For example, you can be an affiliate marketer for Jumia. Though I'm not advertising Jumia, you can be an affiliate marketing for Jumia. You advertise their product, somebody buys their product through your through your advert, and you get paid for that. That's for affiliate marketing. Another way to make money is through selling of information. We call it information marketing. So there are some informations on to how to grow your online fan base, how to do just how to do many things. These are courses. You can be selling these courses online and be making money. So another way to make money is on YouTube. So you will see a link to my YouTube class. If you're interested, you can join. You learn how to make money on YouTube, how to make videos and get paid. You can get paid for freelancing. You can work for people outside Nigeria. So that's just how to make money online. These are different opportunities of making money online. So another point is how to make money off ASUU strike. This period is a very, very big opportunity because a lot of people are sitting down doing nothing. Then you start doing the mathematics and the thinking, how can I create value? That is true. How can I create value? You look at your situation. I'm free. It's not like when school is in session where I have to run for morning classes, come back, do this and do that. That's the situation. You look at your weaknesses. Where are the areas you need to improve on? You look at your opportunities. There are so many opportunities flying around during this track period. Then you look at your threats. What are the threats to this your business? One threat is that your mom or your dad is not happy seeing you pressing your phone from morning to night. These are threats. So you find way to work on that. Are you with me? Find a way to work on that. So this is what you need to do to make money off ASUU strike. So like I earlier mentioned, that before you make money, you need value. You need value and you need people. So what I've just done in the other aspect of this video is to show you the values you can exchange for money. I've given you different areas of value where you can fit in, be productive, be creative, create something and sell to people. So the integral part of this thing now is the people. How can I sell when I don't have people? Just imagine selling a product to 1,000 people and making a profit of 1,000 naira. That is 1 million naira. So if you understand this mathematics, making money will not be hard for you. So I'm going to be organizing a WhatsApp class on how to get these people, because you need these people. How do I get these people? How do I get these people following me on any social media platform I find myself? So check the link in this video. You are going to see a link to that class. During that class, I will talk more. Thank you. You are free. Then your weakness, what at this point I'm not doing well. You look at opportunities. Opportunities that there are a lot of opportunities going on now. You may not know it, but there are actually opportunities. So you now look at threats. Ah, Jesus, I don't tire.